Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make payments using Walmart Pay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Walmart application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password and you will be logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the shop page from which you can shop for various different items. Now, once you are done with your shopping and you wish to make your payment, tap on the services option at the bottom right corner and now you will see the Walmart Pay option. Go ahead and tap on this and now this will open up the scanner window right away. If you haven't already allowed access to your camera, you might be asked to allow this access. After tapping on the allow button, you can use your camera in order to scan the QR code and make your payment right away. Just make sure that you have added a payment method onto your account as well. And using this feature, you can make your payment in an instant. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your payments using Walmart Pay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.